Welcome to Homework Lib.
Okay, so here two very narrow slits are placed at 1.8 micrometers apart. So the distance between the slits small d equals to 1.8 micrometers. So in SI this is equal to 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 6 meters, and these slits are placed at 35 centimeters from the screen. So capital D, the distance between slit and the screen, is 35 cm, right, which is equal to 0.35 meters. What is the distance between first and second dark lines, right? And when they are illuminated by wavelength of 550 nanometers, which is equal to 5.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 meters. So if you look simply in a figure, then if we consider this to be first dark line and this to be second dark line and this to be theta 1, we cannot neglect theta, right? Because theta is not that small as according to the question, so we cannot use that general formula here. So this is the first one here and the second one. First one makes an angle theta 1, second one makes an angle theta 2. So for the dark fringes, what we can write between the angles is, for the dark fringes, and let me write that here. So these two are slits here, and these slits are separated by a distance small d, and the separation between slit and the screen is capital D. Okay, so for the dark fringes, what you can write is d sine, for first of all theta 1, is equal to 1 times lambda by 2, right? And d sine theta 2 is equal to 3 lambda by 2, right? Now how this came is from the formula that d sine theta is equal to n lambda, with theta n, where theta is the angle for nth fringe. So if this is for the bright fringe, this formula is for the bright fringe, and if the fringe is dark, then this will be equal to 2n minus 1 times odd integral of lambda by 2, and this if their fringes are dark. Alright, so I just used the second formula to solve this equation. So from this, what we can find is theta 1. So theta 1 is equal to sine inverse of what? Lambda by 2d, right? So we know lambda, we know d, just plug this in here, then you get theta 1 is equal to 8.79 degrees. Alright, and from here theta 2 equals to sine inverse what? 3 lambda by 2d. So plug the values of lambda and small d here. This comes out to be 27.28 degrees. Alright, now so we find theta, so this is y1 here, the distance of the first slit, and this is y2, the position of the second dark fringe, first dark fringe and second dark fringe. So what the question is asking is to find the distance between them, right? So we have to find y2 minus y1. Now as you can see from the figure, y2 minus y1 is equal to what? D times tan theta 2 minus d times tan theta 1, right? Using simply Pythagoras theorem. So this is equal to d times tan theta 2. What is tan theta 2? That we found out, 27.28, minus what is tan theta 1? tan 8.79. And what is D? It is given in the question 0.35. So just plug these values in here. So this will give me 0.126 meters. So if you like to write this in centimeters, this is equal to 12.6 centimeters. And hence this gives us the solution to this question. Thank you so much for watching.